cleaner gets paid by the hour. The CEO gets paid by the contract. Now let that sink in. Because the way you think is the difference between staying stuck or scaling up. Hey y'all, it's Karen Denton, owner of KSC Commercial Cleaning Services and founder of the KSC Bidding Consultant Program, where I help cleaning business owners learn how to bid, win, and grow their companies with confidence. Now, I started my journey at 50 years old, and now I'm mentoring others into multi-million dollar contracts. Now, let's talk about mindset today. Now, the cleaner gets paid by the hour. The CEO gets paid by the contract. Let that sit in for a second, because that one mindset shift can change everything. When I started, I was a cleaner. I was in every building, every night, working hard and proud of it too. But that hard work alone wasn't going to build the future I saw in my mind. I didn't want to be 70 years old still pushing the mob. I wanted to leave a legacy. So I had to shift from worker to CEO. Now, thinking like a CEO means asking better questions, because at the beginning you don't know what questions to ask. That's why you got to get outside. Not how much will I make this week, but how many contracts can I land this quarter? You don't want to be, no, can I clean this building? But you want to say, who can I train to manage this site while I focus on growth? Now, CEOs that just don't work, they build the machine that does the work. Now, I own a building. Now, I had to change my mindset for that. Now, I've helped my mentees go from small jobs to 6- and 7-figure contracts. One of them landed 54 buildings from one client. Not because they clean better, but because they started thinking better. So here's my challenge to you. Are you still cleaning, or are you building? Because when you think like a CEO, you move different. You move different. You hire smart. And most of all, you price with confidence. And you stop playing small. So comment CEO mindset if this hit home for you. And if you're ready to stop cleaning and start scaling, let's work. Let's work together. I got you. I see you guys at the top.